What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2007 Honda Accord. This is the hybrid, but I'm pretty sure it does not matter. This is what the cabin filter looks like. So you want to open the glove box up. Once you drop the glove box down, you want to disconnect this over here, which you just do this with the little pry back like that, and that comes on. Go ahead and focus. See, it comes out like that. And then with this, there's little slots. You pull that back as well as you pull that back, and it just drops right down. So when you're pulling back, you're pulling that little knob back from around here. And then you got the cabin filter right here. You just push this in and push this side in as well. And then this comes out as a cage, just like so. You take the cabin filter out of there. Let's put that back up there. Once you get the cabin filter out, I like to measure them up. Yep, same size. And then drop the cabin filter on in here. And once you get it in there, you just take it, slide it back in there. Make sure that clips. Make sure that clips. You take this. You just gently, you see that, raise it up, and there you go, that's there. And then you take this little arm piece, take it, reconnect it, and boom, that's how you install a cabin filter on a 07 Honda Accord. Very simple installation. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like to, and thank you.